Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel, and today in this lecture we are going to talk about subject and predicate, that what is basically subject and what is basically predicate and how can you differentiate between subject and predicate. So basically if we go through the definition of the subject, a subject is something what or whom the sentence is about. कि एक जुमला किसके बारे में है. वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट हु इज द डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन, कि कोई काम करने वाला कौन है, और व्हाट वी कैन से दैट व्हाट और हुम द सेंटेंस योर, कि जुमले में किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, दैट इज बेसिकली योर सब्जेक्ट. It can be a person, it can be a place, or it can be a thing that is doing an action. कि ये कोई इंसान भी हो सकता है, किसी जगह के बारे में भी हम बात कर सकते हैं, कोई एक्शन भी, कोई चीज भी हो सकती है. तो these all comes in your subject. For example, if I say Maria is having headache, here in this sentence we are talking about what? We are talking about Maria. So Maria is subject here. So in the second example, my sister is cooking rice. So in this sentence, my sister, we are talking about what? We are talking about sisters. Here in this sentence, my sister is your subject. So if we go through this, who is doing an action? My sister, or we can say that the subject is doing an action, so my sister here is your subject. So we can also say that a subject is something on which we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे होते हैं, that is basically your subject. Then we have predicate. Look at this one. We can also say that a subject is something that we are talking about. This is very important and it is very easy to learn that. जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हो जुमले में, वो आपका basically subject होता है. Then we have predicate. That what is predicate? Many of the students are confused in this, that what is predicate actually. It's really very easy concept, that a predicate is something, we can also say that verb plus object. Subject तो वो हुआ ना जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Predicate क्या होता है? Predicate में आपके पास verb means action word, and object जिसके ऊपर the action is being done. Basically predicate में आपके पास verb plus object आता है. एंड योर प्रेडिकेट कैन ऑल्सो टेल, ये आपको ये भी बताता है व्हाट अ सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग, कि जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, जो डूअर है, वो क्या कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट दिस वन, आई लाइक टू वॉक इन रेन. हियर इन दिस सेंटेंस आई, हम किसके बारे में बात करें? मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. सो आई हियर इज योर सब्जेक्ट, लाइक टू वॉक इन रेन. मुझे क्या पसंद है, हमें यहाँ पे पता चल गया. आई जो है दिस इज बेसिकली योर सब्जेक्ट. बाकी आप लोग देख लें वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट जहां पे भी आएगा. Like look at this one, like to walk in rain, this is your predicate here. So in the second example, my sister eats burger and fries. So here in this sentence again we are talking about what? We are talking about our sister. So sister जो है आपके पास यहाँ पे subject है. उसके बाद आपके पास you have to find out the verb. हमें पता चल गया कि eats, this is an action, so this is your verb. And burger and fries, this is basically your object. So collectively eat burger and fries, ये आपका जो है this is your predicate. So I think subject and predicate is clear to you कि subject जो है that is the doer of an action or the thing that we are talking about, या हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and the predicate is basically your verb plus object. So I hope students this is clear to you. So if you find this lecture interesting, you can like it, share it, and comment.